A Beacon School is a school situated at Rongai in Nakuru County, that's Rongai sub-county, and we embrace extracurricular activities, young tastemasters being one of them, in which we enroll learners in cookery and also participating in other activities. We chose young tastemasters because we want our learners to get engaged in matters cooking and also learn new skills to do with nutrition. And as Beacon School, we are really proud and appreciate the involvement in such activities.
Thank you so much. Tell me the process for preparing this.
You boil the egg first.
You boil the egg
while the rice is still boiling. Then after boiling the eggs, you remove them, peel them, then make your onions and tomatoes. After making the tomatoes, we mix them with some spices, add a little bit of salt, then we remove it aside.
We ask parents, and both our parents and parents who are aspired to join us, to join this Young Tastemasters Club, as it will enlighten learners not only in Beacon schools but also outside the world.